The rise of a new kingdom age. In a world where systems are designed, not broken, and the many serve the few, a new generation rises. Not to hustle within the system, but to understand it, challenge it, and rebuild it. This is the age of systems, where money moves digitally, power hides in algorithms, and control is invisible. This is not a show. This is a command center. Welcome to Eagle Generation TV. This is where systems are decoded, and the future is engineered.
This is where we transform nation. The reason is because bringing light to that which everyone is afraid of. And we're speaking about technology, we're speaking about AI, what it entails, what is inside. And today's episode, we are going to elaborate and expand and, of course, give you the practicality part of it. So stick with us as we tag along. Welcome so much, Kibaki. Last time it was hot. A lot of people are asking, when are we coming back and to explain this?
We are here.
We are here.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Very much important. We get that. How have you been, bro?
I've been good. I've been fine. Everything has been good.
Okay.
I've just been pushing on some few things here and there. You know, just getting some tech ready.
Wow.
Pushing some tech out. As you can see today.
Yeah.
Courtesy of young eagles of transformation.
Of Kenya. Yeah, I told you we're transforming nations, and we're starting home. That's very nice, bro.
Yeah.
He's doing well. Yeah. We just want to dig in as we go. We have seen you, all over, introducing a lot of softwares in Kenya, giving your hands in and helping in terms of Kenya to become that very, very good space for young people. And then there's something you've introduced, man. What is that? Baggings, Omwane or something? People are listening, those things. And I was like, I can have a conversation with this thing the whole day. But I'm not, it speaks all language and all that. So people are confused. We are used to Siri. And Siri has its own But what is this? What is this bagging? What is it all about, this Omwami thing? Enlighten us on that.
My Omwami. So Omwami is a product.
Okay.
Is one of our products. Its name is not Omwami actually.
Okay. Yeah, we found how to call it Omwami, so we know it's Omwami technology.
Yeah. No, actually it's a self-provisioning artificial intelligence operating system.
Okay.
So it's majorly more of an infrastructure. It's actually on the grid. In tech, we have tools that are infrastructure grade tools. So we have an infrastructure grade tool that we've been able to come up with. And the company, I run several companies. You can check them out actually. If you're there, just make sure you check our website. We have Young Eagles of Transformation Kenya. Is actually whatever you can see us wearing here. So what we do, according to our logo there, the radio T-shirt we build. We think global, but we build local, and then we scale. So majorly what we do is that we build, we build tools, artificial intelligence tools, blockchain systems. We'll be looking at some of those systems as we go on. We are also in the payment space, trying to come up with the innovations that are going to solve problems in the space. So majorly what we are doing is that we are all looking to bring the new energy in terms of innovation in the space. So this is one of the major developments that we've built. It's a self-provisioning AI operating system, as I said. You can be able to speak with it, just like how you can speak to a human.
Okay.
This is not a chatbot. It's not a chatbot. This is not ChatGPT. It's not. It has some generative artificial intelligence features.
Okay.
But it's not majorly that. It's more voice. It's voice based, and beyond being voice based, there is an action side to it, in that you're not only conversing with it, you can prompt it to act. So it can be able to learn with time. It can be able to interact with you with time, learn in real time, study your organization,
Wow.
Over time, be able to build a profile for you over time, be able to give out the best of output, and also be able to communicate to all your people. So it's majorly is an operating system for an organization. It's organizational grade. Several NGOs are looking to tap into it. We've done some pilots. There's already an organization that is using it in the bid to order. Like if you need to order something online, instead of calling the customer service, they're using our tool. So that you can be able to order produce online, you can be able to order some few things online, and the thing will actually be able to process the order for you, and even have the order delivered.
Right.
So organize all those operations. You can imagine if I need to order something from Jumia, let's say for example, like Jumia. So this time I don't need to like go on a website and click and check out and all that.
Texting and all that.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
I just need to call it out and tell him I need this and this thing. I need, let's say for example, I need a phone, iPhone 17 Pro Max. What's the price? It tells you the price. What are the characteristics? It will describe the entire product for you. And then if you want it will ask you whether you want to order it. And once you order it, it will be able to organize your order for dispatch. Will ask you to allow for payments or to put in the number that you would wish of to pay through. Probably send you an STK push. Send you an STK push. You put in your PIN. Once you put in your PIN, the order will be processed. You will queue the order for you, and it will keep updating you where the order is. In case there are any clarification, it can call you back and ask you whether there is any, clarification details in terms of the place to drop. If anything was not clear, it's able to process all that without any man intervention. So when you want to call and request where the order is, it can be able to track it for you. Whether it's on dispatch, whether it's on this, and be able to ask you wait for this period of time for it to be delivered. So basically, that's a snapshot of the AI tool.
Another question one may ask: why go for the voice? Because we're in an era that someone will just say, "Okay, I just want to type." That those people again, we are coming back to our own. But I believe now this time, at least there's something that we can be proud about. So why did you choose and go to the voice rather than just typing and all that? What criteria did you use to do that?
So when ChatGPT came about, there was a lot of hype. On it was actually, there were some generative AIs before, still on testing and all that. But when it came out, there was a lot of hype and everybody wanted to use these tools, and we've seen the advancement over time. We've seen the advancement in terms of even them adding voice features, text-to-speech features, whereby it's able to interpret, your text and speak it out and all that. You can record yourself, prompt it, ask it question, it will answer you like that. To be able to, there was a lot of hype about all that. The reason why we chose to go for voice is, one, to accommodate diversity. In terms of different languages, in terms of even Makalenjin, it will be able to accommodate. Those are some of the features that we are still improving. Currently, we've been able to handle several African languages. Several African languages, including the reason why you're hearing it hearing us call it Omwami, because it can be able to speak some few Luya. But you see, Luya is not really developed in terms of diction. That's online. So the training data sets that we have are few. But we've been able to model this tool in a way that it's able to accommodate different languages. It's able to speak Rwandese. It's able to speak. We'll be testing it in a few. You will be seeing what now we are talking about. It's able to accommodate different diversities.
I like the part. Sorry, I like that part because one may ask. For example, you see, like your I mean, our mothers at home, they can't text, but this is something that they can talk through in their own language. I think that one is very much important, even as you continue to explain, because we have had this issue of language barrier. You know, you have commodities, maybe in a different country, you know, maybe you go to maybe to Rwanda, or rather you go to another country, but again, you see, you cannot communicate. So this is a solution that you can use this tool to communicate to one another, wherever you are globally, wherever you are, and in your language.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a tool that you can be able to communicate.
Yeah.
It can also be able to interpret for you.
Okay.
It can be able to do several operations. There is a whole lot of use cases to this thing. There is whole lot of use cases to this thing.
Okay.
Bro, you don't want to know the story behind, but though we'll get to that. I just want to remind me to tell you the story behind how that thing was innovated. Oh my God, it was a series of, we were going through series of problems.
Wow.
But because you've not asked that, probably you'll get there.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, we will get there. How did it come to be? We are Africans, man. You have to know where it comes from.
Yeah, but basically what we are looking at is we wanted a tool which then common mama mboga can be able to use.
Right.
By a call. You know, let's say, for example, I want to learn about my business. I want to learn about trends in, you know, how I can improve my business. I want to get new information on how I can be able to improve my company's operations, not even a company, just even that kibanda, how I can pitch.
Okay.
Probably you find so many people, they have access to donations. They have started a small medium enterprises, small SMEs. They need to access donation to grow their business. And so most of these people are not able to really do that at scale and access good funding because, one, they don't have credible pitches. They don't have credible pitches. They don't know how to package their business. The tool is able to help you package your business and actually even build pitches for you. Build a pitch deck, build a profile for you, build a proposal for you. You can imagine. Can do and all you need to do is just explain your business even in your local language.
Wow.
Nauza skuma, mimi nafanyanga hii biashara, nafanya nini, and it will be able to build for you a portfolio and a profile for your business and a pitch, whether you want a 10-minute pitch, whether you want a 3-minute pitch, whether you want a 20-minute pitch, whether you want a proposal, it will be able to build for you and share it with you on your email. And you can be able to find that document, which now you can be able to use and, send out proposals and all that.
Wow.
So it has quite a wide variety of use cases.
Yeah. Very much important. I think now it's time that most of us, we have been waiting to test this omwami. As much as you say it's not omwami. We want to know all about this because it's very much important. It does a lot of things. And the better part of it is the talking part of it. The diversity of language, local and all that. So I think it's time that most of our viewers want to get it. You know, want to see the practicality part of it.
You know, when we came into this ego generation, there was a protocol that we have to put our fans.
So I know. It's all right.
Just give me.
No problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to get to hear more?
I want to get to hear more, man. We just have to do some lawyers here, you know.
This is an innovation by Yet Kenya, by the way.
Okay.
It's an innovation. There is a whole huge team.
All right.
Bro, there is a whole huge team of young people. Some that we are mentoring in tech.
Okay.
And some that, they are still growing in the field. As I told you that the umbrella is the ego generation. You remember?
Yeah, sure.
It's the ego generation. So the ego generation forms this umbrella.
Okay.
Whereby actually the ego generation we have, we just incorporated not a last, of course, but I think our 9th company in the fold.
Whoa.
Guess what's the name?
Mm.
Zenith Zoe. My God. Zenith Zoe. That's the name of the company.
Wow.
You need to go and check it out. Actually,
Yeah, actually.
if you're a viewer, you can check out
Check
that
that
company.
That's true. Very much important.
Zenith Zoe. Actually, Zenith Zoe, guess what? Is a holding company and will have, actually has 3 other companies under it. So you can imagine we have the Ego Generation, then we have other companies, which Zenith Zoe is one of them.
Okay.
We have BDG Smart Limited, we have Yet Kenya Limited, whatever we are now wearing right now, the t-shirts.
Okay.
We have Texan Limited, we have so many other companies, Junior Pago Holdings, and all those different companies.
Wow.
So all those different companies are coming under this umbrella, and this umbrella forms to reshape. You remember we were talking of this narrative that we have to shape purpose, so that in everything we do there is a purpose behind it.
Wow.
So there is a team, but majorly this tool has been developed by the Young Egos of Transformation company team, which I am the direct CEO of the company.
Okay.
And it's quite an amazing tool. I want us to have a test on it. Let's pick a use case.
Okay.
Let's pick let's do one use case.
All right.
Which use case do you want to?
Which one?
Do you want us to do business profile?
Let's do business. Let's do business because I mean this is something that.
Oh my God! Yeah, let's do. Actually, we'll do 2 use cases.
Okay.
We'll test it in different languages.
Different languages, very important.
Very important.
Yeah.
And then we will build a business profile
In
Swahili.
In Swahili, very true.
And then we want it to pitch in English.
In English.
Right?
All right.
Let's go.
Okay.
Umwami wewe. Umwami. Let me take out the airplane mode and let's have this tool.
All right.
Oh my God. Hello.
Hello, Champez. Great to hear you. How can I help you today?
Champe ni aje?
Marahaba, Champez. Nimefurahi kukusikia. Niko tayari kukusaidia na chochote unachohitaji. Hebu niambie, kuna jambo gani unalotaka tuanze nalo?
So mimi nimeanza biashara mpya na hii biashara yangu natafuta donors na nataka hao donors wanisaidie kufundraise, but sijui venye nitafanya. I don't know how to build a pitch. I don't know how to build a business proposal. Unaweza nisaidia aje, Champe?
Niko hapa kukusaidia, Champez. Kujenga pitch au business proposal nzuri ni muhimu sana kwa kupata donors. Kwanza, eleza kwa ufupi biashara yako. Tatizo gani inatatua na kwa nani? Halafu, eleza jinsi utakavyoingiza mapato na uonyeshe ushahidi wowote wa mafanikio ya awali kama wateja au mauzo. Mwisho, eleza kwa uwazi unahitaji msaada gani kutoka kwa donors na jinsi watakavyonufaika. Tunaweza pia kutengeneza muundo fulani pamoja au kuandaa vipengele muhimu. Ungependa tuanze na sehemu gani?
So sasa mimi nataka tu tuunde the business profile, alafu tukimaliza business profile, kutumia hiyo business profile tuunde pitch yenye nitaweza like a 3-minute pitch yenye nitaweza kuenda kuconvince nayo donors. Si unipange sasa tuanze kazi.
Tuko pamoja kabisa, Champez. Hebu tuanze na kuunda business profile. Kwanza niambie, jina la biashara yako ni gani? Na inajihusisha na nini hasa? Halafu, tuweke malengo makuu na maono ya biashara yako. Ukiniambia hayo, tunaweza kuanza kuchonga wasifu wa biashara wako vizuri.
Biashara yangu mimi nauza skuma, nauza pia maembe, nauza mayai. Mimi ni mfanya biashara mdogo, hapa Thika, na pia nafanya tu pia kazi zingine ndogo ndogo hapo kama nakatakatia watu skuma, lakini saa hii nataka kuimprove biashara yangu, nianze kusupply hiyo mayai kwa wholesale kwa other retail shops ili waweze kupata cheap supplies. Hilo nitakuwa na supply.
Hapo umelenga jambo muhimu Champers. Kuimarisha biashara yako kutoka kuuza moja kwa moja kwa wateja wadogo hadi kuweza kusambaza bidhaa kwa maduka na wateja wa jumla ni hatua kubwa ya maendeleo. Sasa tutaweka kwenye business profile yako. 1. Jina la biashara. Una jina rasmi au tunalibuni pamoja? Bidhaa kuu: sukuma, mayai, maembe. 3. Malengo mapya. Kupanua kutoka rejareja hadi jumla, kuingia kwenye soko la maduka, retail shops, na kupata supply deal za kudumu. Hii itatusaidia kujenga msingi wa pitch yako. Kitu gani kingine ungependa tuongeze kwenye business profile yako?
Jina unaweza nisaidia kuunda, si unirekomendie jina?
Hilo ni swali zuri sana. Jina la biashara linapaswa kuwa rahisi kukumbuka, lifanane na bidhaa zako na liwe na mvuto kwa wateja na donors. Kwa mfano, kwa vile unauza sukuma, mayai na maembe, tunaweza kuchagua jina linaloonyesha ubora wa mazao yako na upatikanaji wake. Kwa mfano, 1. Fresh Harvest Supplies. 2. Champers Greens and Eggs. 3. Tamu Produce Distributors. 4. Asili Wholesale Foods.
Tamu Proceed Distributors. Tamu Proceed Distributors. Hiyo jina ni tamu. Si hata umesikia? By the way.
Sasa hilo jina limeweza sana. Tamu Produce Distributors. Linavutia, linaeleweka na linaakisi biashara yako ya kusambaza bidhaa fresh na tamu.
Kwa sababu bidhaa zangu zote ni tamu. Sasa tuendelee kwa details zingine. Kuna details zingine ili uniundie hiyo profile?
Safi sana Champers. Jina limekaa vizuri. Tamu Produce Distributors. Sasa tuongeze maelezo machache ya msingi kwenye hiyo profile. 1. Eneo la biashara. Unafanya kazi eneo gani na unalenga kusambaza wapi? 3. Wateja lengwa. Ni maduka ya rejareja, masoko au mahoteli? 3. Utofauti wako. Kwa nini bidhaa zako ni tamu zaidi? Je, ni kwa sababu ya ubora wa mazao, huduma bora au bei nafuu? 4. Malengo ya kifedha. Una mpango wa kukua kwa kiasi gani katika miezi 6 hadi 12 ijayo? Haya maelezo yatakupa msingi mzuri wa kuwasilisha biashara yako kwa wawekezaji au donors. Unaweza kunipa hizo taarifa, tuziweke pamoja kwenye profile yako.
Sasa mimi biashara yangu iko Thika, nataka kudistribute around Thika. Pili, na biashara zangu bidhaa zangu ni tamu kwa sababu napata fresh produce from the farm, alafu na distributia watu, alafu pia I'm looking to grow my business from saizi niko na sales za at least 10,000 in a day, lakini sahi nataka niongeze sales zifike 30,000 in a day. So that's why nataka niingie kwa hiyo side ya wholesale. So nataka nianze kudistributia other retailers na vitu kama hizo.
Hapo sawa kabisa Champers. Tumeelewa vizuri. Biashara yako iko Thika. Unapata fresh produce moja kwa moja kutoka kwa mashamba. Na ubora wa bidhaa zako ndio unafanya ziwe tamu. Lengo lako ni kuongeza mauzo kutoka shilingi 30,000 kwa siku hadi 30,000 kwa siku kwa kuingia kwenye soko la jumla na kusambaza kwa maduka ya...
Natoka 10,000 bro. Sasa ni kwa 10,000. Nataka niingie 30,000.
Nimekupata vizuri Champers. Kwa sasa uko kwenye mauzo ya 10,000 kwa siku. Na lengo lako ni kufikisha 30,000 kwa siku. Hilo ni lengo la maana na linawezekana kabisa kupitia kusambaza kwa wauzaji wa rejareja na wateja wa jumla. Hivyo kwa kifupi, business profile yako inajumuisha: 1. Biashara Tamu Produce Distributors, eneo ni Thika. 2. Bidhaa ni tamu kwa sababu fresh farm.
Sasa nisomee hiyo profile ama nifanyie hiyo profile na Kizungu. Nataka sasa let's switch to English and give me the profile of my business.
Sure. Let's switch to English and put it all together. Here's the profile of your business. Business name, Tamu Produce Distributors. Location based in Thika, distributing within Thika and surrounding areas. Products, fresh skuma, eggs, and mangoes,
No.
all sourced directly.
use sikuwa nataka hiyo ati profile uni describe. Give me the pitch, like I want to pitch. What will I tell the nini? Give me like a 3-minute pitch.
Sawa. Hebu tuweke pamoja pitch ya dakika 3.
In English.
All right. Here's a concise 3-minute pitch in English that you can use to convince donors or investors. Hi, my name is Champez, and I'm the founder of Tamu Produce Distributors, based in Thika. We specialize in fresh, high-quality produce, like kale, mangoes, and eggs, sourced directly from trusted farms. Our products are known for their unbeatable taste and freshness. We currently make around 10,000 in sales daily, but we're on a mission to expand. Our goal is to triple that to 30,000 by scaling up distribution to more retail shops and wholesalers in the region. What sets us apart? Our produce is not only fresh, but consistently delicious, thanks to the relationships we've built with farmers and the care we take in handling. Now, to reach our next level of growth, we're looking for partners who believe in supporting local produce and want to be part of this journey. With your support, we can invest in logistics, storage, and expanding our reach, ensuring that more people enjoy the best produce Thika has to offer. Join us in bringing fresh, healthy, and tasty produce to even more tables. Together, let's grow Tamu Produce Distributors and make a real impact in our community.
Write me your number.
That's a
Write
solid
me your
pitch you
number
can
so
deliver
that
content.
it can pitch tomorrow.
All right.
Sasa nataka I want you to send that pitch. I want you to call someone, to call one of my donors. I want you to call one of my donors and deliver that pitch to you.
I currently don't have the capability to directly call someone for you or reach out to your donors. However, I can guide you step by step on how to deliver this pitch effectively or help you prepare any materials you need to present it. Let me know how you'd like to proceed.
Okay. Do you have any numbers that you have access to on your account? Hello.
Available on the account. These can be used to make outbound calls. If you'd like, we can set up a call from one of these numbers to a specific donor's number you provide. That way, we can deliver the pitch directly. Just share the number you want to call, and we can proceed from there.
So the number I want to call is 0718 381408.
Now let's pick one of the available outgoing numbers to use for the call. We have 3 numbers. 1, 254-205-02037. 2, 254-205-02039. 3, 254-205-02115. Which one would you...
Use the first one. Use the first one. So use it to call 0718 381 408.
The call to the number ending in 408 is now queued and will deliver the full pitch. You can follow up with your donor afterward to discuss their thoughts. Let me know if you need any more assistance or if you'd like to make any adjustments for future pitches.
Okay. Make sure you explain to him the pitch. Give him the pitch. Okay, umepigiwa simu.
Yeah. There's a number here that is...
You'd have picked it.
Oh, I was supposed to pick it.
Yeah, we were supposed to pick it.
We are learning something. It's all right. So we can redo it again, and then now I can now pick it.
Okay. You are supposed to pick it. So let me just ask it whether it, so that it will now, you are now the donor.
Okay, I'm now the
You can call
donor.
the donor.
Okay.
And be able to give the business profile
All right.
of the donor. That's the experience I wanted you to have.
All right.
Hello.
Redo it.
Sure, Champez. We can definitely create a strong business profile for the donor, highlighting their experience and key credentials.
No, I wanted, do you have a profile for my Tamu business?
Sure, Champez. I can help you create a detailed profile for your business.
Not create. There is already a business profile that is existing with you. About Tamu business. There is a Tamu business profile. So it's now searching the database
Okay.
to try and get the business profile.
All right.
Have you found it?
Champez, it seems there was an issue retrieving the business profile. Let me try again to get the details of your Tamil business profile. Once I have it, I can share the full details with you.
All right.
Okay, try and retrieve it quick.
Understood, Champez. Let me troubleshoot this quickly and find your Tamil business profile. I'll do my best to pull it up right away.
Wow. So beaten too.
So it's actually pulling now. It's searching so many databases because it has access to so many databases.
Right.
So it's now searching it out, trying to search here and there.
Okay.
So once it finds it, it will give me the feedback.
Okay.
Then now I'll be able to put in a prompt for it to call you, just like it has called you. It's only that you delayed.
Yeah, I delayed picking it up. Okay.
So the period that we've put for it to sustain that call ended. But if you would have picked it, you now have explained. Let me find out whether it has already found.
Okay.
Hello, have you found the Tamu business? Hello.
I'm still working on it, Champez. There seems to be a technical issue retrieving the business profile data. Let me explore another way to get that information. You could share any unique detail, like the phone number or another identifier for the Tamil business, to help me narrow down the search.
Okay. So
No worries, Champ. I'm here to assist, Champez. Let's try one more approach. If you can give me any specific detail about the Tamil business,
the
the phone number, email, or a partial name, I could use that to locate the exact profile more efficiently.
The Tamu business was about kills, ads, the supply of ads, and distributing ads
Located in Thika.
the business is located in Thika, and it's distributing those ads at a wholesale price to the locals. Yeah, that's more about the business.
Thank you for the additional details, Champez. It's helpful to know that the Tamil business is about egg supply and distribution in Thika, focusing on wholesale to locals. Let me use this information to refine the search and find the exact business profile for you.
Okay. Wow. That's very important because there are people. This sometimes you may do something and then now that one also helps to find what if you've lost a document or something.
So actually it can do thousands and thousands of searches over different levels and layers of database.
All right.
It's only that I think I forgot the name. It was Tamu what? I think I forgot the name. But if you'd have given it the exact keyword, it would easily find it because now it has more data sets to be able to scan through the database and retrieve.
All right.
And then it can be able to pitch the thing for you.
Okay.
So you can imagine a local woman who doesn't know exactly how to build such profiles. Many businesses don't land because they don't have the required knowledge to be able to build that out and to be able to sell it out, to explain their business to people, to pitch solutions to people. They don't know how to do it. And so this is one of the tools that we have that can be able to help you. Far much and beyond this, it can be able to do adjustments to your ledgers, help them create a financial projection and share those documents to your email. Do so many operations.
Wow.
And especially this is needful for major NGOs. Especially major NGOs have problems with automating their workflows. They have major problems in donor management, in donors management. They have also major problems in donor reporting. They have major problems in tracking impact. They have major problems in interacting with the people from the local people that they are impacting too. So they have problems in doing all that. And so this is able to help them to interact with those people. It's a tool that is needed out there.
Wow.
This is artificial intelligence. As you can see, it's not a bot. You can't program a bot to call a person and it will
actually it's not it has called. It's only that I delayed picking it.
So it has intelligence to be able to think. It has intelligence to be able to reason.
Yes,
it has intelligence to be able to tell you, I will not. You see, it had refused to call you. It means probably we've not added some tokens, calling tokens on our numbers.
All right.
It had refused to call you.
Yeah.
But you see, I persisted. So it's able to reason. So this thing is this important.
It's very much
important. Let me tell him the numbers that I have available. So pick one number that has airtime, then choose
whether you will prefer.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's able to reason, it's able to act on your behalf. It's able, but there is also a way which you can restrict it, because now the fear is, what if it overacts?
Exactly, that's the point.
And it's able to learn through time and process.
Especially one will ask, what if there's some information that maybe it's only on a departmental level? Ask then how will we make sure that we have our information alone rather than everybody having the information outside there, because anyone can access it and anyone can ask anything. What is the risk of that?
Yeah, so that is already controlled. That is already mitigated.
All right.
Because there is an extent to what it's allowable to share.
Okay.
There is an extent to what it's allowable to share. We will just need to set the business rules.
All right.
You set the business rules for your business. The business itself will be able to tell us that beyond here, you don't disclose this to our clients.
Right.
This is the level in which you can get to your clients. Like already, when you call a Safaricom customer care, they can already tell you that this is what is allowable for us to do at this level. Beyond this level, call the managerial number.
All right.
They can give you a managerial number that probably has human intervention before that. So with what the organization is able to disclose, that is what we will set those limitations. And then we will expose it. We will train it through different data sets that an organization wants the AI to be able to dispense that knowledge to the user. So the AI is able to reason through, listen to a local woman there who probably needs a customer care service, listen to him or her, and then it's able to analyze, what does this person needs. This is beyond what I need to get. This is close to what I have access to, and this is what I can disclose.
Wow.
So all of that is catered for.
Yeah. I'd like to move in a second segment before we come to a close, because now that one was very, very well elaborated there. The vernacular part of it. I mean, the mama mboga down there, this guy coming from other country, I want to have a conversation. What would I do?
I think the good thing we have Rwandese in the house.
Nice. Yeah, by the way.
Why don't we test it in Rwandese?
Now I assume I'm in Rwanda and I need to get a very cold call. What am I going to do? And maybe there they speak their own language.
Hello there. So I want you to speak, and my name is not Champes. My name is Kibaki. Call me Kibaki, please. Call me Kibaki.
Got it.
Yeah.
Sawa Kibaki. Niko hapa. Hebu niambie unataka tufanye nini leo?
So I want you to say hi to my Rwandese friend. I think the director or a friend of ours can pass by, and I want you to say hi to my Rwandese friend here. I think you can come through.
You can just come and speak to Champes.
Sawa Kibaki. Naona rafiki yako wa Rwanda yuko karibu. Ningependa kumsalimia kwa heshima. Ungependa niseme jambo fulani maalum?
Msalimie kwa Kirwandese na muongee na yeye.
Sawa Kibaki. Wacha nimkaribishe rafiki yako wa Rwanda kwa heshima. Muraho nshuti. Tumeshimye kuguhura nawe. Bite se?
Bite amakuru.
Bibira, urakoze. Twese turahari, kandi tuishimie kuba tuli pamoja. Wamubaze chochote, niko hapa kusaidia.
Amakuru, ndi muri Kenya ariko ndashaka kujya gusura inshuti yanjye.
Byiza cyane. Murakaza neza muri Kenya. Waza rari kagaruhari kumenya mbere yo kuza.
Ndashaka kumenya ahantu hatatu hari hoteli najyayo gutembera.
Ibiza. Nairobi ifite ahantu hatandukanye ho gusura. Ushobora gutemberera Nairobi National Park, aho ushobora kureba inyamaswa. Pia kuna Karura Forest, ni heza kwa kugenda mu mbuga no kwishimira ibidukikije. Hari n'ahandi nka Giraffe Center, ahantu ushobora kwegera twingaji dede. Nugera hano, utarohewa na hivi biruhuko.
Urakoze cyane.
Ebu tuambie amesema nini na Kiswahili. Tell us in English. Translate for us in English,
please.
What was the conversation about?
Kibaki na rafiki yake wa Rwanda walikuwa wanazungumza. The conversation was about a friend from Rwanda who is interested in visiting Kenya. They mentioned they want to see some places around Nairobi, like Nairobi National Park, Karura Forest, and the Giraffe Center.
Wow.
They're excited about the upcoming visit and looking forward to exploring these spots.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
That's awesome.
So you can see,
Yeah.
it is able to accommodate vernacular. That's a Rwandese. That's a language.
Okay.
A local dialect in Rwandese. I don't know Rwandese.
Yeah.
At least it's able to interpret for me, even same to Kikuyu, same to Luya, same to other dialects. But we are looking at dialects that have grown in diction over time.
Okay.
So we can be able to integrate all these languages into the tool.
Okay.
I'm telling you, there are thousands and thousands of use cases for this tool.
Wow.
So if you're an organization out there and you're in need of this technology,
Exactly.
I tell you, it's wide open. You just need to dial our number. Just get to our page, Yet Kenya Limited, and you'll be able to get our numbers there. And I'm telling you, or you can also call me. By the way, I have a website. Oh my God, I have a website. Just search Peter Kibaki Njoroge.
Yeah.
You'll find our contacts there. You'll be able to reach us out. And I'm telling you, the thing,
Okay.
I will be able to see how we can be able to work these out, see how it can help your organizations,
Yeah.
and so many other use cases.
Before we wind up, because our time is much spent, we're supposed to be winding up. But there is this one question. One will ask, how am I going to get it? Do I have to call? Is it like is it an app that you need to install? Or do you have to have, one will ask, do I need to have a bundle? How do I make sure that I get communicated with the
So right now the infrastructure is ready as a organizational grade infrastructure.
Okay.
So as we said, it is an operating system.
Yeah.
So it will make more sense for people to use it at a level. At a level whereby they're using it at an organizational level.
Okay.
So it's available there. We can white label the infrastructure for you, meaning that will give you access to the improved versions and all that. We also have different, packages.
Right.
We have the standard package. You also have the premium package.
Okay.
So there are levels of features that you can be able to access on the standard package, just like ChatGPT or any other software. You understand that there are these provisionings, and then we have the premium package, and then we have the organizational package, which now you're able to access the entire API.
Okay.
Be able to white label the entire thing for you, integrate with your CRMs, integrate with your other databases. For any use case that you want it to be limited to, it will be able to be limited to for your different uses.
Right.
In your organization. Yeah.
Very much important, because one would ask, I want that. And maybe there is one there, maybe, as we do nowadays, I might say, okay, I'm starting a small business and I want it. Maybe I'm not in an organization, or maybe I have as an SME, I have my own small business like Mama Mboga there, and I'm really in need of that. Should I follow the same process?
Yeah, we'll have those small packages for different users. That's the common users, the Mama Mboga and all that.
Okay.
We are building an application for it.
That's nice.
I think it's underway. It should be out within a few.
Okay.
So those are some of the strategies underway for us to be able to bring this product out.
Wow.
It's already being used by several organizations. So we are experimenting with these organizations so that once we release the entire thing,
Okay.
it will come in its varieties.
All right.
Right.
Is it available now? Can
Yeah,
someone
it's
get it
available
now.
It's available. It's
All right.
available. Yeah, it's available.
much
Just reach
available.
out, and then we'll work our way out.
All right, that's your camera. Maybe you can tell there's someone, maybe someone, a director or a CEO is watching you and really impressed with that. So you can speak to them.
Yeah. So it's hard to face cameras.
I know.
You might be an NGO that is out there, and you need to improve your organizational workflows. You need to improve your how your operations run. You need to probably have an expert room. There are several expert rooms like you find in these organizations, whereby a CEO wants advice. Probably you are in a corner somewhere.
Sure.
So the machine is able to access all the databases
Okay.
in your organization and be able to advise you based on the data. So even in data-driven decisions and all that, all those analytics, you can reach out, get our numbers. My number is 0796808883.
Wow.
0796808883.
Perfect. Nice
Yeah.
to have you, Kibaki. That was very nice. And of course, Champez. Yeah, next time when we come back, I know Champez now we'll have to discuss in Luya, but you decided to go to Rwanda anyway.
Yeah.
Any last word you want to tell us before we wind up?
Any last word?
Yeah.
Kenyan government. Find young, brilliant minds and empower them.
Sure.
The Rwandese government is doing quite a good job. I believe that Africa can be better. I believe that if young people are given a chance, they can change and transform this nation and make it a better place. We have young technocrats out there. We have young people out there. It's not that these people don't have morals, but these people don't have what to do. So how do you expect them to change if they have nothing to do? So they'll use their energy to destroy rather than to build. We have an opportunity to change our nation. We have an opportunity to make history. So join the movement, join the Ego Generation movement. Let's come and make history. Change will begin from us. But you people who are up there, just get some people, empower them. Reach out to that young person, empower them. The solution for young people is with the young people. Sit down with us. Let us tell you the problems that we are facing, and tell us the problems that you are facing, so that we can be able to give innovative solutions that can be able to push Kenya and make even Africa a better nation.
Okay.
See what young leadership has done to Burkina Faso.
Sure.
It's just a case study. So that can be duplicated in our Kenyan nation, that can be duplicated in our organizations at those levels. So invite us, invite people that have ideas to transform your organization. Open, not necessarily us. Trust in a young man out there. Invest in a young man out there. Can I tell you something surprisingly? You hear that people receive donations.
Yeah.
We've never received even a coin of donation from anybody. We've built all those companies from scratch with our own money, with our own pockets. We've tarmacked, we've tracked. And can I tell you what they beat us to the face with? They close our accounts. They freeze our funds. They try to look at, I'm telling you the kind of money that we've lost. It's if I tell you the figures, you will wonder. We've lost money. We are trying to survive. We are barely trying to survive. There are so many innovative products that we have. We've built all these things without a single investor. Nobody came in. We've tried to pitch. Nobody came in and said, we are interested, that we trust in your vision. And so we have to go through the tough route. But we've developed muscles and we are not stopping. We'll continue innovating with support or without.
Wow.
Our strength is from within and Jehovah is with us. So we know that at the end of it all, the kingdom will be represented even in the spaces of technology.
Wow.
Yeah,
Thank you
that's
so
our
much.
driving force. Thank you so much.
Thank you
for
so much. Kibaki there, of course, as you can see, bringing us one of the brilliant thing and coming out very loudly in terms of change. Of course, as we say, this is Young Eagles Generation Television. My name is Collins Kanira. See you in the next episode. And in this episode, you're going to discover million and million of information. And I say million, I mean how to go about it. Thank you so much. And of course, as we say, see you next time.